All right, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. JP Saxe, and he's back here again, but not too often actually. Out of all my thousands of tutorials here, I only had him here a couple, 3-4 times maybe. Songs like More of You, I Don't Miss You, we have them, but he definitely deserves more attention on Growing Guitar. So therefore, we have this song called Safe, all right? I really like the vibe of this song, soft and kind of mellow, and it's nice to play as well. So JP Saxe, Safe, nice feeling. Let's go into it. And the best scenario for us is to use a capo if you want to match up with the sound, and then you place it on the 3rd fret. That is the best scenario for us. Okay, we have 8 chords. A couple chords, but they're pretty simple to handle. It's played in pretty much in the same way through the entire song. So let's go and dive into the chords. We're going to start with D. Okay, so it goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, 2nd E. We have B minor, which is a bar chord. So place the index finger on the 2nd fret and push down 5 strings if you count from bottom and up like this. Then you need to add 4th on D, 4th G, and 3rd B. We move on with another bar chord, and that is the F sharp minor, the second to last bar chord. So you have still a bar on the 2nd fret. This time you push down all strings there, and then you need to add 4th on A and 4th on D. Next chord is G. So that will be 3rd on E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We have E minor, and that goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, open E. We also use the E, so from the E minor you just add on the 1st fret G string, and there you have the E. And then we have the A minor, that goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord will be A. So you have to recuperate your fingers a little bit. And then you play open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. So that's all the difference from A minor to A is this 1st B string on the A minor and then 2nd B string on the A. All right, so all chords there. Now let's go into the strumming. And the strumming is about 2 parts. We're gonna split it later, so we're gonna need to learn that. So the first part will be down, down, clap. If you use the D chord, it will sound like this. That's the first part, and then the second part will be up, up, down, clap, down, up. So up, up, down, clap, down, up. So if you put that together, part 1 and part 2, it will be down, down, clap, up, up, down, clap, down, up. Okay, and a couple of rounds and a little bit faster tempo, it goes like this. So we are ready for a song, and let's go into the first verse. You're gonna play D 1 full round, B minor 1 full round, F sharp minor 1 full round, and G 1 full round. You're gonna play that chord progression for 2 rounds. 1 chord progression round sounds like this. Play for 2 rounds, and that's the first verse. Then comes the first pre-chorus. It happens at 37 seconds in. 21st century, that is the lyric there, how it starts. You're gonna play E minor, 1 full round, then play B minor, part 1, and A, part 2. This is the only place where we need to split the strumming. You're gonna play that chord progression of 2 rounds. E minor, one full round, B minor part 1 and A part 2. In the second round, when you play A, you can also play just one down and the pause that builds up for the chorus that comes. So one round with strumming goes like this. And second round. One down on A, or play part 2 of strumming. That works as well. And that is 2 rounds of the pre-chorus, and then we are suddenly into the first chorus at 48 seconds in. I want to make you feel safe. That's where we're on the lyric. And now we're going to play D, 1 full round, A minor, 1 full round, G, 1 full round, and E minor, 1 full round. You're going to play that of 3 rounds, okay? So 3 chord progression rounds of this, and on the third and final round, instead of playing E minor there, you just play 1 down on the E. So in the third round, you play D1, A minor 1, G1, and 1 down on E. That 1 down follows with a pause, and that sets the first round and then into the second round of everything. So 1 chord progression round of this chorus sounds like this. And then if you play the final round, that was round number 3, ends with 1 down on E. And then start the second round, okay? The second round is just repetition. Both the verse, the pre-chorus, and the chorus is played in the exact same way as the first round. I forgot to mention, after you play the first chorus, you have an instrumental part. You're going to play the verse play for 1 round, and then starts the second round of everything. And like I said, just repetition there. And after the second chorus, you play the outro, and you're going to play the verse play for another round, and that will end JP Saxe Safe. Nice song, okay? So it fits guitar actually very well if it's not like your typical guitar song, but it has this flow, and we have great strumming and chords to handle this one. So good luck, and until next time, play tuned.